Shadow planet Rahu enters Taurus and Ketu enters Scorpio on 23rd September 2020. Shadow planet Rahu enters Earth sign Taurus and malefic Ketu enters water sign Scorpio on September 23rd, 2020 at 7:38 am and Rahu Ketu change again Rasi on April 12, 2020 at 10:36 am. We try to explore effect of transit by Rahu and Ketu for all moon signs. Aries 23rd September 2020 Rahu Ketu transit effect for Aries Mesa Rasi. Rahu moves through the second house for your sign. The second house is about finance and family and also related to eye. Ketu moves through the 8th house. We try to view effect of this transit of shadow planet Rahu and Ketu on different aspects. Rahu moves in trine to the 10th house in view of this. Career-oriented and business person has to exert more to achieve their target. Career-oriented remains stressed due to constant hammering by immediate boss to hurry up things and give more output. Business person has to remain satisfied with petty deal during routine. Finance. Movement of Rahu through the second house works will to increase inflow of money here. Family related expense stand to increase. You do not have to bear any kind of major expense during this movement. By Rahu through the second house, if you have any issues related to family, handle the same much tactfully and with due delicacy and aim to preserve in peace and harmony. Health. Except well in viral infection, no major health issue troubles you. If you have issue related to eye, visit eye specialist. After due test, eye specialist does need pull to cure this issue and you start having clear vision. You need to do some light exercises suitable to you in morning. This works well for remaining healthy and fit for the day. Personal life. In regard to personal life, you are to remain at unease for one reason or other. Refrain from use abusive words during conversation. Remain polite during conversation and take care of the sensibilities of the concerned person. You need to take interest to creative activity to repress psyche and you remain cheerful. Taurus 23rd September 2020 Rahu Ketu transit effect for Taurus Vrishabha Rasi. Shadow planet Rahu moves through your sign. Malefic Ketu moves through the 7th house. This movement seems to support you to remain to commanding position. We try to view effect of this transit of shadow planet Rahu and Ketu on different aspects of life, career and business. Whether you are career oriented or doing business, you remain in commanding position at work front. You need to remain polite while expressing your view. Decision. Refrain from shouting loudly to assist your viewpoint. If you are prepared to work hard, things are to move favorably for you. Finance. You are able to increase inflow of money here. Gain here adds strength to your position on financial front. You don't have to bear any major expense. You need to remain focused on saving money for good. You are to have a pleasant time with family. Most of the times overall, you remain in a healthy financial position. Married one remains at unease in martial life due to unbecoming conduct of life partner. Health. During this movement of Rahu, you need to remain careful about prevalent viral infection. Issue related to digestive system can worry you. Try to avoid heavy dinner late night to keep digestive system in order. You are to enjoy good general health condition most of the time. Malefic Ketu moving through the 7th house does not lead to any major health issue. Personal life. You are to remain pleasant and in cheerful mood most of the times. However, you need to avoid conflict and keep off from any controversy. Go for long work in morning or evening. This keeps you in positive frame of mind. Remain open-minded to constructive suggestions from people around you. 23rd September 2020 Rahu Ketu transit effects for Gemini Mithuna Rashi. Shadow planet Rahu moves through the 12th house for your sign. Malefic Ketu moves through the 6th house. Movement of Rahu through the 12th house does not well for mental peace and harmony in relationship. We try to weave effect of this transit of shadow planet Rahu and Ketu on different aspects of life, career and business. With Rahu moving through the 12th house, you are likely to remain stressed on work front for one reason or other. Career oriented can feel insecure about his or her position. Business person has to strive more to run the show satisfactorily. This movement of Rahu leads to new challenges for business person. Finance. This movement of Rahu through the 12th house does not sound well for you in financial front. You have to exert more to earn enough to meet routine and incidental expenses. Refrain from taking undue risk to push ahead prospect on financial front. You remain at unease in relationship with family. Health. Presence of malefic Ketu saves you from any major health issue worrying you. However, take due precautionary measure to save from prevailing viral infection. You need to take due care while traveling in public transport. Some minor issue like common cough and cold can concern you. Personal life. Rahu moving through the 12th house can keep you stressed for one reason or other. Maintain status quo in close relationship. Arrange party with near one to become stress free. It is good to take interest in creative activity like music, singing, painting or writing. This kind of activity represses psyche and keeps you in positive frame of mind. Cancer, 23rd September 2020, Rahu Ketu transit depicts for Cancer, Kataka Rasi. Shadow planet Rahu moves through the 11th house for your sign. Malefic Ketu moves through the 5th house. Movement of two shadow planets does not sound well for progress. Higher growth. We try to weave effect of this transit of shadow planet Rahu and Ketu on different aspects of life, career and business. Things are not to move favorably for career oriented and business person during this movement of Rahu through this 11th house. Career oriented needs to stick to present assignment and keep exerting more to give more output. Business person needs to refrain from taking shortcuts to push ahead business prospects. Stick to basics and keep applying to run the show encouragingly. Rahu moving through the 11th house presents illusory opportunity to benefit monetarily. Do not get tempered by get rich quickly kind of a person. Stick to basics. Marginal increase in inflow of money gives cause to cheer up. Health. Things do not look well for you on health front. Weaving this, you need to take due care of health. Movement of Ketu leads to sudden change in ground reality. Remain prepared to accept new challenges and keep working over the same and aim at improving performance. There is a probability about some viral infection catching up with you. Weaving this, you need to take due precautionary measures to save from viral infection. Do not neglect even minor looking health issue. Personal life. Rahu moving through the 11th house leads to developing many friendly relationships. However, execute due caution in new friendship. Refrain from any kind of financial dealings with one in new friendship. You remain in a cheerful mood. You have a pleasant and enjoyable time in personal life here. Leo, 23rd September 2020, Rahu Ketu transit effects for Leo, Sinha Rasi. Rahu rolls through the 10th house, linked with occupation, profession. Malefic Ketu moves through the 4th house. Job holder and business person is to have challenging time. We try to weave effects to this transit of shadow planets Rahu and Ketu on different aspects of life, career and business. With shadow planet Rahu moving through the 10th house, job holder remains under stress all the time. Excess of stress can tell of health or job holder. In spite of this, job holders need to share more responsibility willingly. Business person has to move around a lot to get opportunity to strike a big ticket deal. Business person has to remain satisfied with minor deals during routine. Finance. You have to put that extra effort to increase inflow of money here. You may look for another avenue to increase inflow of money with family. You are to have peaceful and harmonious time. No major expenses worries you here. You may need to increase provision for domestic matters. You are able to save money satisfactorily here. Health. Some minor health issue like common cold and cough bothers you here. If develop issue related to respiratory system, visit your physician soon. After due tests, physician prescribes due remedial measures to cure the issue and you start breathing normally. Most of the times you enjoy good general health conditions. Personal life. Work related matters are to keep you busier. However, you need to spare time to repress psyche and you remain in positive frame of mind. Indulge in some creative activity like singing, music, drama and writing. This kind of activities gives job satisfaction. No serious issue worries you here. Virgo 23rd September 2020 Rahu Ketu transit effects for Virgo Kanya Rasi. Shadow planet Rahu moves through the 9th house for your sign. Malefic Ketu moves through the 3rd house. This movement of two shadow planets seems eventful. Some new challenges may come up. We try to view the effect of this transit of shadow planet Rahu and Ketu on different aspects of life. Finance. No major financial gain is foreseen for you here. However, your regular flow of money is maintained. You do not have to bear any kind of major expenses here. Look for ways to save money for future needs with family. You have a pleasant and enjoyable time. You remain in a comfortable position on financial front. Health. Things are to move well for you on health front. No major health issue concern you here. Middle age and above being troubled by nagging all health issue like being diabetic or irregularity in blood pressure needs to have regular checkup to so that you become aware about any variation and take due measure to keep things under control. Personal life. There is a strong probability about long distance travel to visiting highly revered religious places and seek blessing of the deity. It's turn to remain in positive frame of mind and remain at ease. You are to have pleasant and enjoyable time here. Libra 23rd September 2020 Rahu Ketu transit effects for Libra Thula Rashi. Rahu moves through the 8th house for your sign. Malefic Ketu moves through the 2nd house for your sign. Viewing this, you remain in uncomfortable position at times. Progressive forces are not to work much effectively. We try to view the effect of this transit of shadow planet Rahu and Ketu on different aspects of life. Career and business. Career-oriented remains of unease for one reason or other. Career-oriented tries hard to give target output. Job holder feels insecure about his or her position. Business person tries to lot of run the show encouragingly. Business person needs to review all contacts to get encouragingly opportunity to strike good profitable deals. Health. Rahu moving through the 8th house can lead to major health issue. It becomes difficult to diagnose cause of the issue troubling you. However, in due course of time to start feeling comfortable as the issue is cured. Then you enjoy good general health condition. Personal life. Some disconnect keeps brewing in for you. Channelize the disconnect for raising efficiency level to perform for effectively. You need to spare time some outdoor activity. Going for a long walk swimming is a good option. This kind of activity keeps you fit enough and also refresh psyche. Scorpio 23rd September 2020 Rahu Ketu transit effects for Scorpio Vrishika Rasi. Rahu moves through the 7th house for your sign. Malefic Ketu moves through your sign. Ketu moving through your sign keeps you conscious about your responsibilities. Rahu moving through the 7th house works well to get help from a stranger in time of need. We try to view effect of these transits of shadow planet Rahu and Ketu on different aspects of life. Career and business. With Rahu moving through the 7th house present constraint for job holder. In turn, he or she finds it difficult to give required output. Job holder is insecure about his or her position. Business person has to plan well to deliver goods marital in time and promised progressive process may not work effectively here. Finance. On being busy with work related activity, you may not be able to spend time for family. Your family desire that you spend some quality time and increase harmony in family life. On financial front, you remain in a healthy position. Routine and incident expenses are managed by you comfortably. Health. Most of the times you enjoy good general health condition. However, some minor health issue can keep worrying you. Do not neglect minor looking health issue. Treat the sum prompted with due remedial measure to get relieved from worrying about minor issue. It is good to indulge in some light exercises suitable to you in morning to remain healthy and fit enough for the day. Personal life. You develop many friendly relationships here. However, do not go overboard and execute due caution is new friendly relationships, more so with opposite sex. You also enjoy partying and remain busy with social activity overall. You have a pleasant and enjoyable time here. Sagittarius. 23rd September 2020 Rahu Ketu transit for Sagittarius. Dhanu Rasi. Rahu moves to the 6th house for your sign. Malefic Ketu moves through the 12th house for your sign. Rahu moving through the 6th house work well to keep your position seeker. Malefic Ketu moving through support you to move ahead the spiritual path. We try to view effect of this transit of shadow planet Rahu and Ketu on different aspects of life. Career and business. Business person remain concerned about competition in his field. Business person needs to formulate a strong strategy to score over competitors and maintain his market share for his products. Career-oriented peers seek about his or her position. Future growth prospects are to look encouraging for career-oriented. Finance. You remain in wanting about increasing inflow of money for you. You need to look for another avenue to increase inflow of money. You are to remain at unease with regard to family. You need to spend quality time with family often. This gives time ventilate differences and expectation about conduct. Overall, on you remain in healthy financial position. Health. Things do not sound well for you on health front. You are prone on falling sick. Physician finds it difficult to diagnose the cause. This can take some time and then things come to fore. Soon physician prescribes due remedial medicine and cures you. Viewing this, you need to take due care of health. Personal life. Viewing movement of Malefic Ketu. Take interest in spirituality. Try to learn about spiritual activities. Normally odds are against you. Hence keep your cool and have patience on your side. Meditation works well to calm nerves and represses psyche. In turn, you remain in joyful mood. Capricorn. 23rd September 2020 Rahu Ketu transit effects for Capricorn. Makara Rashi. Shadow planet Rahu moves through the 5th house for your sign. Malefic Ketu moves through the 11th house signifying gain. Movement of these two shadow planets seems to push progressive forces to work effectively. We try to view effect of this transit of shadow planet Rahu and Ketu on different aspects of life. Career and business. Career oriented keeps exerting more and aims to give more output. This approach works well to get promoted to higher position coupled with encouraging high key remuneration. Business person gets opportunity to strike good profitable deals and increase market share. Business person runs the show encouragingly. Finance. Malefic Ketu moving through the 11th house facilitates encouraging opportunity to gain monetarily. The gain is to be sudden for you. Gain here adds more strength to your position on financial front. No major expenses invoiced here for you. With family, you are to have a pleasant and enjoyable time. Health. No major health issue is to catch up with you, however, some minor issue can keep troubling you. Treat the same with due remedial measure prompted to save from complication. Middle age and above being troubled by nagging all health issue needs to have regular checkup to become aware about variation. Personal life. In personal life, you keep enjoyable partnering with near ones. You are to be at ease in relationship with near ones. No issue related to near one makes you feel uncomfortable. You are to have a pleasant and enjoyable time all the time. Aquarius, 23rd September 2020, Rahu Ketu transit depicts for Aquarius, Kumbha Rashi. Rahu moves to the 4th house for your sign. Malefic Ketu moves to the 10th house. Being this, you inclined to buy a place to reside comfortably. Things are to roll favorably for you at all levels. We try to view effect for this transit of shadow planet Rahu and Ketu on different aspects of life. Career and business. Some change of betterment comes suddenly for business person. However, business person needs to look up ground reality and make moves accordingly. Business person is able to run the show encouragingly well enough. Job holder needs to keep working hard and work for extended hours to keep prospect is getting higher position coupled with encouraging hike in salary. Finance. This movement of shadow planet Rahu keeps you in a strong position on financial front. Inflow of money stands to increase for you. No unexpected major expenses invoiced here in view of this. You are able to save money satisfactorily. Your commitment for family is to be appreciated. Peace and harmony in family to be preserved. Health. You enjoy good general health condition most of the times. However, you need to be careful about health issue which seems cured earlier. You need to keep digestive system in order. It is good to do some light exercises suitable for you in morning regularly to remain healthy and physically fit enough for the day. Personal life. No issue in personal life makes you uncomfortable during movement of shadow planets. However, you need to indulge in some outdoor activities, like going for a long walk or do swimming. This kind of activity keeps negative vibes away and you remain in positive frame of mind. Pisces, 23rd September 2020, Rahu Ketu transit effects for Pisces. Meena Rashi. Shadow planet Rahu moves through the 3rd house for your sign. Malefic Ketu moves through the 9th house. This movement of shadow planet is to have varied effect. We try to view effects of this transit of shadow planet Rahu and Ketu on different aspects of life. Career and business. Viewing movement of Rahu through the 3rd house. Business person inclines to take due risk for pushing ahead his prospects on work front. Job holder can be entrusted with the task-based outstation. Successfully handling this task enhances prospect of getting promoted to higher position coupled with heartwarming hike in salary. Finance. During this moment of shadow planet, you are able to increase inflow of money. You are able to manage routine and family-related expenses comfortably. No major expenses is foreseen for you. During this moment of Rahu Ketu, you look for ways to save more needs. Overall, you remain in a reasonably good position on financial front. Health. In regard to health, you need to be careful about prevailing if any viral infection. You need to take due precautionary measures to save from viral infection. Middle-aged and above worried by nagging old health issue, like being diabetic or irregularity in blood pressure, need to have a regular checkup to keep tab on variation and then take due measures to keep things under control. Personal life. During this moment of shadow planet, short-term travel is to be pleasant and enjoyable. No serious issue with near one worry You want to makes you remain at unease. You have nice present with near ones. Aim at preserving peace and harmony in relationships. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos.